Need a Gmail account? I'll show you the fastest way to create one in 2026. Open your browser, search Gmail sign up. Open the official Google page. Tap on Create Account. Choose For My Personal Use. Type your first name. Type your last name. Tap Next. Enter your date of birth. Select your gender. Tap Next. Choose a username. This becomes your Gmail address. If it's taken, try a different one. Tap Next. Create a strong password. Confirm it. Tap Next. Enter your phone number, wait for the code, type the code, tap Verify. Add a recovery email if you want, or skip this step. Tap Next, scroll down, tap I agree. Your Gmail account is ready. You can now send emails and use all Google services. That's it, simple and quick. Follow for more easy tutorials. Subscribe and like for more videos.